What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another review and unboxing of the Gemini Jets A321neo of an interjet. Alright, so we got this. I already opened it just to see if there's damage to it, and it's perfectly fine. We got the Gemini Jets logo on all sides. Return at the back here. As real as it gets, features. And then we will go here, the same thing. Okay, let's open up the flap, guys. Pause if you guys want to read all this info. Alright, now let's go ahead and take it out. Beautiful, beautiful plane. Alright, guys, well, first off, again, this is probably one of my favorites, but they could the engine's a bit higher, so they're not like touching almost. Well, right now, guys, we're going to look at the left side of the plane, I believe, or right side. So we have the interjet logo, the nose cone. We got tons of good details and stuff. The windows, the doors. Registration for this plane is X8-MAP. Following, we got the winglets. Following over to the back, the cargo door there, and there's a cargo door in the front. The interjet logo. It's Mexican airline. Okay, let's turn around and look at this side. We got the L1 boarding door. Emergency release, landing lights, navigation lights. More and more of the same thing. Let's flip it over onto its stomach. So again, the landing gears are perfect. Go all the way to the back like that. Perfect. And now time for the roof. So here, guys, we got the antennas. Antenna, Wi-Fi box, antenna. And the elevators are right there. The APU is it a hole or paint? Oh, it's a hole. And over here we got the green navigation and the red. Alright, guys, peace. Now it's time to add this to the Wall of Fame. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. 5 Gemini Jets PCO.